Next we're going to use the Morso as a smoker. Very simple to do. You need some wood chips, you need something you're going to smoke. Here we've got a nice piece of salmon. We've got the Morso blazing away in there and we're ready to go. I'm just going to prep the fish, and that involves some coarse salt as usual, olive oil, rub that in nicely. That's all ready to go. Okay, I'm going to prepare the Morso for smoking. I'm going to use the Tuscan grill again, put that over the coals, and then on top of the Tuscan grill we'll put the Morso frying pan, and then we'll put the salmon on the frying pan. And although I've got some smoking chips here, I'm going to use bay leaves, which I will put in the Morso oven with the salmon, and it'll give off a lovely flavoured smoke. As you can see, the fire is blazing away in there. Too hot to cook at the moment, but we'll let it die down a bit, and in a few minutes we'll start the smoking process. I'm going to put the grill back in on top of those coals. Right, we're going to put the salmon on, the hot plate's in there, the frying pan, the grill's in there. In she goes. And then we're going to put the bay leaves in. Create lots of lovely smoke. And here we have the smoke keeper, which sits on the top. There we go. And then we shut the door. There we go. Wow, look at that. Hey man, that looks good. Nice piece of hot smoked salmon. Break a piece out there. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Just pink in the middle. Try that, Simon.
Oh, lovely.